Hi everybody, welcome back to another CYT-Crypto episode. My name is Stephen Aitchison and today we're going to be continuing with the Planet Finance training videos, and the next planet I want to talk about is going to be the Red Planet. Red Planet was launched on May the 13th, 2021, and it offers the best auto-compounded yields on the best cryptocurrencies in DeFi. And these include both single token vaults such as BTC, BNB and Ethereum, and multiple liquidity pools such as BNB, BUSD, and BTC BNB. So we'll just jump over to the Red Planet just now. So this is the Red Planet here, and you can see it looks very the same as the Blue Planet, and basically it is a different app. You still have to log in and connect your wallet, so it is essentially a different app from the Blue Planet app as well. So we can see here first of all that we've got tokens in here that we can put in for liquidity pools, or you can stake your Ethereum, for example, or your BTC, for example, as well. And now using the Belt protocol from Belt Finance. So these are some of the best rates out there. I'm not going to compare it with any of the others, but if you look around and see what interest rates you get on the likes of BTC, Ethereum, Cake, for example, as well, these are some of the best rates of return you're going to get. And if you look at AQUA, if you hold the AQUA token as well, just for staking it, you're going to get a 250% APY on that as well. So if you had 10 AQUA tokens, for example, which is around about $9,000, you can expect to get 250% of that over the course of a year, and you're going to get that on a daily bit. Well, almost, it's updated all the time. So 250% of 9,000 is around about $22,500 for that over the course of a year. But of course, that interest rate could come down. The more people that stake, the less that APY is going to go. So you're not going to get 250% all the time for the full year. It'll go up and down, and depends on how many people go in and out of it as well. So at the moment it's 250%, which is fantastic, and you're going to get that in AQUA tokens as well. And now go into the vault, and you can take that out anytime. There's going to be a withdrawal fee of 0.1%, auto compounding fee of 1% just on your rewards, platform fee of 2% again on your rewards or the profits, and buyback and fund fee on profits is 2% as well. That's just on the profits alone. So we can see there's an AQUA bounty there as well. You can claim that, but there's no point in doing that. They're going to get rid of that. I think there was a proposal to get rid of that, so that's going to be gone as well. And again, they've got the swap, just like the Blue Planet. You can swap out the tokens there as well, and you're going to get a better rate on the swap function on these Planet Finance. Voting as well, just exactly the same, and the metrics will be coming out soon for the Red Planet as well. So the supported cryptocurrencies on the Red Planet is AQUA, BNB, so we've got Cake obviously, BTC, Ethereum, BNB, BUSD, BNB and Link, BNB and ETH, BNB and DOT as well. DOT's going to be a really important one as well, I feel. And they'll be updating this as well. And these are going to be using just the very best tokens, cryptocurrencies, and they do that looking at the smart contracts. And this is how they choose them. They look for the best smart contracts out there, and they put them into the Red Planet. And that's really it for the Red Planet. It's much the same as the Blue Planet as well, and the planets are going to be very similar until the Green Planet starts, until the Green Planet comes out, when there's going to be lending and borrowing there as well. So that's going to be interesting to see what that is. And the next video we'll be looking at the Uranus planet. We'll look at that and some of the tokens in there. Again, very similar to the Blue and Red Planet, but that's out already, so we'll look at that in the next video. Okay, until next video, namaste, take care, bye now.